An independent asset inspection using aerial thermal imaging can show clear temperature differences across a roof. The important part is understanding what those differences mean. Let's look at this section of roof. You can see staining, repairs, penetrations, and a number of different surface conditions. There are some pretty obvious temperature differences across this section of the roof. The important thing to understand is that a thermal camera measures surface temperature. It doesn't measure moisture. So I can't just look at the bright areas and say the roof is wet. I have to look at the pattern, how the roof is retaining heat, the roof material and construction, and what I can see in the visible imagery. In this case, the thermal patterns were consistent with areas of elevated moisture in the roof assembly, but they still needed further evaluation and verification. There is a difference between seeing a thermal anomaly and understanding what it may represent. If you want to learn more about independent aerial asset inspections, visit us at 12blocksolutions.com.